What's up everybody, Gary here today with another video. Today's video, we're already hard at work. We're about to install the rear bumper for the Jeep. I think I already mentioned it on the title. I got the Smittybilt XRC Atlas rear bumper, the one with the swing out. So I'll just show you guys how it looks like. So it looks like this, has a swing out. Probably show that afterwards when it's all installed and everything else, but yeah, it looks like this. Steve's out here helping me out because clearly I don't know can't be swearing or else I'm gonna get demonetized. We just removed the bumper, which took forever, and now we're just gonna install the rest of the other pieces there. Let's do this. So we got the bumper out. Took a while. Hard work here with Steve getting all this stuff done. So we gotta rewire a few things. My hitch, you gotta rewire it. Well, Steve's gonna do that for me because I don't know anything. So yeah, everything's all out. Now all we have to do is remove these side pieces so we can just slide in the bumper and connect it, and that was it. I think that's pretty much it for this. It took a while. It honestly only took like what, 30 minutes, Steve, to get this bumper out. Yeah, about 30 minutes, and yeah, should be good to go.
Freight's the way to go.
Oh,
Nothing's bloody heavy. Oh, it's perfect. It's like the first time. Right there. Alright. I'm gonna lift it a little bit higher.
ready? 3, 2.
Have to go to Rona to pick up some bolts, longer bolts. All right, we got them screws to screw in there. Sorry, just kidding. These are bolts. I just wanted to make that joke. All right, we good, Steve? We good.
28.
Yeah, man, you're still young, bro. I'm 37.
All right, so we're going back to Rona. We have the wrong bolt for it, so yeah.
This is close.
Yeah.
Maybe we should have, Steve, maybe we should have done that first. Eh?
All right, going back to Rona. All right, went back to Rona. Picked up these bolts and washers. I needed a new one, so hopefully this works out now. Yeah, should be done in an hour.
Crazy what'll happen when you get the right thing.
Yeah, we definitely didn't go to Rona twice.
No, definitely. Yeah, pretty good.
Nice. Oh! Damn!
Oh yeah. Go inside. Go inside. Go. Eggsy, go inside. Go. Blooper reel. All right, we're doing some sketchy stuff now.
Oh yeah.
Some
Always doing sketchy stuff.
putting a ratchet strap, seeing if we can pull it. Eggsy, let's go inside. Come on.
Close.
This is how you fix it. This is how you fix it, guys.
You want to take a look in there?
Yeah. It's now further out. We're too close here now.
Pop off that strap then.
What's going on, bro?
Just having some fun.
Having some fun trying to figure this out. We're having troubles with this bracket for some reason. It's not lining up properly, and yeah, it's a damn headache. Steve's see if he can line up properly right now, so I don't know how we're gonna do this. It was supposed to be an easy job.
It's always supposed to be an easy job.
Yeah, exactly. All right, well, we'll keep you guys posted once we figure out a few things.
All right, we're going back to Rona. Third time's the charm. We got this.
All right, guys, just got back from not Rona this time, but for another place. Me and Steve. So what we plan to do now is install the 4 bolts here first, and then for some reason we're not able to install the corner parts here, but this one is okay. So I guess what I might just do is connect the 4 ones, which is the important ones, and then just have the side ones that we can actually connect, and just leave this one for how it is. I think it should be sturdy enough for it to carry the brunt of it, so we'll just go with that. We'll get started. We're losing a little bit of sun now, and I don't want it to get to be too dark. bumper is on. Dirty as hell. Like I said, we're not connecting the corner ones just because it's not lining up properly, but everything else is good. Ready to go. Yep, it's on there. Now to just put my spacer again because my tire, man, my tire too thick. The thickness. All right, we done. Everything is installed now, stuck in there, I hope. But everything's all installed. Steve really helped me out with this one. Anyway, Steve, thanks, bro.
Yeah, no worries.
even though it took us forever to finish this.
Yeah. Oh well.
Finished product's looking really good. Exactly. So next one is just to rewire everything, right? So Steve's probably gonna come back again and help me out with the wiring. The actual the third brake lights, it's not working. My rear camera, we have to reinstall that, and also my hitch wiring for my hitch. I gotta work on that one as well too. So all the wirings, we're gonna work on that one on another time. But yeah, that will do it for this video. If you guys are excited for more Jeep content, please give this video a thumbs up. If you haven't done so, please subscribe to the channel. Also hit that notification bell so you guys don't miss any future videos. Until next time, guys, like always, stay awesome. Next time on G from BC. Most of my trips have planned destinations, but sometimes you just gotta go out there and explore. You and I, pick your line, 하지마, 우리 너무 달라, we just different, 나 좀 버려. 저잖아, 재미나, 세차나가 신다, 너무 빨라, I'm a globetrotter. You and I, pick your line, 하지마, 우리 너무 달라, we just different, 나 좀 버려. 저잖아, 재미나, 세차나가 신다, 너무 빨라, I'm a globetrotter. Let's go. Hey everyone, if you want to watch more of my content, check out the 2 videos I have on the screen right now. It really helps the channel to get noticed by the YouTube algorithm. Again, thank you for watching. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you next week.